Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about WhatsApp marketing software. Here the WA Sender software, and I have this lot of source. I have my resource. So if you order me, you will get from me. I am authorized from Code Canon. Here my dashboard. This is my dashboard and download here. So if I download section, and I will get the file. So why you order me? If you order me, you will get reseller panel, and you will get updated file. When I get the file, you will free get update file. Now I am live here. How can you do download and install and resell? Okay, so first of all, already I have downloaded the file, so I am click the option, and already I have attached the file installation guideline before I was used. So first of all, I'll have here click and you have the setup option and click the option, and you will get the updated file. Okay, now you should click run. Okay, and next everyone, next, and yes. Okay, close. So if you see more info notification, then you will click more info option next. Then okay, so I am now open the software. Okay, when I open the software, I am see the code. So personal use for this copy is and reseller person. Okay, then through the code I will do license create. Just wait, and I'll go again in the folder. This folder, first of all, you should extract. Okay, so I'll extract desktop. Okay, I have extract the file, and now I will click the option for license keygen file, and okay, and run. Okay, and you should input the purchase code. So if you new user, you will see the code and copy the code, and copy the code option here. Okay, and here the activation code for you should use minimize. Okay, this to copy and paste here. And if I do suppose 7 days, suppose 7 days, and you will do 7 days license, and paste here the code and active now. Okay, so you will see the license 7 days only. Okay, match. Okay. And I'm again deactive, yes, and now I want to do 50 years license. Okay, input the value 50 years for days. Okay, and copy the option here and active now, and you will see my license 50 years. So through the Keygen file, you can do unlimited PC license and sell another person. So and another option here, you can do rebranding. Here the option here the file rebranding file. So the file you can do change, you can do change the name, you can change logo and everything. So for rebranding source file, this file you can use. And also here documentation, here the developer documentation and user guide. Okay, here the documentation. So now I will share how can you use this software. Okay, so first of all, I will share how can you do bulk message through the software. So first of all, I will do add the number. Suppose I am add the personal number, because before I was use this name and I was use this personal, and load option, and you will see scan the QR code. So when I scan the QR code, then it will automatically connect it. Just wait. Okay, I am now scanned from my already connected my number. Okay, now I am live share to you how can I do bulk WhatsApp message. Okay, and suppose my number, if you should do add your country code number. Okay, I have input the number and my message. Okay, so here the important option, you should take your country code without plus. Okay, so I write the number and the message, and attach the file image, and attach the image. This image attached. Okay, and attached here the option you will see media location, contact audio and video note. Okay, so poll just if you should add poll. Okay, single and multiple poll for suggestion. So delay setting you should to do must 20, and here the 30, and below the option 20 and 30. Okay, and here after message you should do use to message, and you can do also variable add. Here the variable bold. Just wait. Here the bold option. So if you want to do this section on to bold, and if you want to do variable add, suppose random variable, suppose you want to add mention name. So first this option here. Okay, suppose hi, I mention hi, and here the name mention. Okay, and start campaign, and campaign the name test, and as is not to click, so start now and click initiate. When you see this is green color, then you can understand it's successfully set up. Okay, now I am click the option start. So I hope my campaign is started. So just wait and you will see my option, the status, which number successful or failed. You can see here. Before I was mistake 0, just wait, I'm making sending. Okay, right now my number is correct, and now start campaign and test. Start now and click initiate. Okay, before I was message this message automatically understand this number, here the image and the message. Now I'm again the message sending. Okay, here the hi. If I use this number save, then it mention me I suppose Ashraful some this message done. Okay, so this software through you can do many things here. You can do Google Map data extract, the successful notification, and you can do Google Map data extract according to the keyword. Suppose real estate company in USA. Okay, and at search, if you want to get email, then you should click just wait, first initialize, first initialize. So you should do check the green color. So now green color, and now I am click the option start, no sorry, and click the option this, and if I wait and see the result. Okay, you will show the message, number, business name and category, and website and location according to your keyword. Okay, so thus you can do export number, and the number export, then you can do message. Okay, so another tools here, the Google contact, Google data extract I already am show, and WhatsApp number filter. So if you check my full video, I will share my hidden tricks such you can reduce your number banding issue. Okay, so until final the video recording. So WhatsApp number filter, through you can do number which number is WhatsApp, which number is not WhatsApp. This section through you can do understand. Okay, and here the option get group number. Suppose you are add a potential group, so from the group you can easily extract a member. Okay, so I'm live share this. Suppose I'm like click initiate. So when you see green color, then you should click get group member, then you can result show. You can do auto group joiner, bulk add group member. It's a high risk for bulk add group member, so I'm not recommended to you. And contact grab list. Suppose you have a 5,000 member contact list, so one click through you can do extract from your contact list. And WhatsApp group responder. This option through you can do automatic WhatsApp message reply. So you should do role option, and you should add role. You can do data collect from social media data extract. So if you need this software, you can contact on my WhatsApp, or you can order from my website wamarketingsoft.com. This website through you can order anytime. You have a lot of resource, and you have the option reseller program. So if you need reseller program, I will give you exclusive offer for our tools. Thank you.